This video tutorial demonstrates how to use Maptitude's Display Manager to change the contents, styles, and labels in a map. The Display Manager lists the layers in a map and indicates with a green check if a layer is visible, a red X if the layer is hidden, or a red magnifying glass if the layer is on but currently auto-scaled off. You can hide a visible layer by clicking the symbol. Notice now that the counties are no longer drawn. You can also show a layer that is auto-scaled off. For example, the rivers and streams layer is currently not visible. By clicking this symbol, the rivers are now drawn. If I right-click on this layer, I can click Restore Autoscale to turn the autoscale settings back on. The Display Manager also indicates whether labels are off, on, or currently autoscaled off. Click the label symbol to change the label settings. For example, we can change the state labels by clicking this symbol here. And I will change these labels to stretch, make them larger, and change the color and style. Notice now that the state labels are updated with the changes I just made. The Display Manager also shows the style for each layer. You can click the Style sample to change the style of the layer. For example, I will make the state labels wider and a little darker. Again, Maptitude redraws the map with the changes I made. You can expand the layer sections to see the display status of any selection sets, themes, or feature display settings. You can now change the style, label, or display status for each selection set, just as I could before for the layers. For example, I'll change the symbol for the capital to this star and click OK, and it's updated. Or if I prefer, I can make a selection set inactive or hidden by clicking this symbol. The Washington record is still in the capital selection set, but this symbol indicates that it is no longer highlighted with the star symbol. I can make the same changes to any of the feature display settings. For example, Washington is in this feature set because its population is 500,000 or more. And if I increase that label size, you'll see that the label for Washington is increased. Finally, you can also change the style of any of the theme items. For example, this map has a color theme on the census tract layer. So if I expand census tracts and theme, I can see the colors used in this theme. I'm going to change the other to a light green color and click OK. And notice now that the color is updated for the theme. And that wraps up this tutorial on using the Display Manager.